Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Now, I'm just going to take your problem right now.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
so look here. This is the problem, right?
Huh.
And last time you have said to me few more problems. Just give me a second.
Those were time and work, sir. I
Yeah,
think
yeah,
this.
yeah.
Huh.
This is from the speed and that you have given from the time and work. Okay, so you can see this part you have shared with me, right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, fine, fine. Well, I'm just taking your all questions right now, how we can
Huh.
go and how we can
Okay.
do it.
Okay.
So first of all, just wait. I think you have shared one more picture. Yes, this one. Give me a second.
Sure, sir. Yeah.
Can you see this?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So these are the questions you have taken with you, right?
Correct. Yeah. Yeah.
So in this, I will teach you the technique.
Huh.
Okay.
Okay.
The technique, no need to remember the formulas and all. Only
Okay.
you need to do the practice.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Huh.
So give me a second. I will take
Sure, sir.
questions and I will explain also.
Sure, sir.
Because formula, if you will learn the formula, I will give you the formula. It's not working. Formula, people are doing that. I know many people do the formulas, formulas, formulas. But
Correct, sir. Yeah.
how many formulas you can learn?
Remember.
You
Yeah.
have in this one, two, three for every question, every formula. So
Huh.
three
That's
question, three formula. Here two question, two formula means for every type you have formula. Means in one chapter you
yeah.
have 7 to 8 types. So 7 to 8 formulas you will learn,
Correct. Correct.
and
Yeah.
you can see also all formulas looks like similar.
Correct. Yeah.
So
So
it creates confusion while remembering it.
absolutely, sir. Yeah.
That is
Remember.
the main problem what you are facing. I understood what the problem you are facing
Yes, sir.
because
Yeah.
I have gone through all these formulas when I was teaching to the students for the UPSC GS and main for the aptitude. Okay,
Okay.
I have
Huh.
gone through these things. These days I have gone it.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
so I
Huh.
have also faced the same thing. So just
Okay.
give me a second.
Sure, sir. Sir, actually, what happened was I told you when I called you first, I think in December or something, that I was
Yes, yes,
learning from
yes.
another teacher. Uh, it was actually going okay, sir. I was feeling quite confident, and unfortunately, in January, she ended up getting cancer.
Oh,
So, yeah, unfortunately, like we couldn't continue the lessons because she fell sick.
okay.
So, I think it's
No
just
issue.
like three or
No
four
issue.
chapters where
No issue.
I'm
No
like
issue.
very very scared, and this time I really want to like clear the exam, sir.
No issue. I will teach you the technique, okay,
Sir,
in
yes, sir.
which no need to learn the formula, only the concept. If you
Okay,
will understand the concept, that concept you can apply anywhere.
okay, okay, okay.
Okay, that means
Done,
for
sir.
time and work, I will give you one concept.
Huh,
Speed and distance, I will give you one concept.
sir.
So
Yes, sir.
you need to try to understand the concept. In understanding concept, you will find little time,
Huh,
but
huh.
if you understood,
Yeah,
आप समझ गए हो तो
yeah.
quickly हो जाएगा.
Okay, done,
In the
sir.
start of the day, because
Huh.
right now it's starting learning period,
Correct,
so
correct,
you will find little time that oh you are taking time,
right,
but
right.
एक बार हो गया ना तो
Huh.
बाद में time नहीं लगेगा.
Correct,
Okay,
sir. Huh.
now look here. मैं डायरेक्टली क्वेश्चन ले रहा हूँ, फॉर्मूलाज वगैरह पे नहीं जा रहा हूँ.
Sure,
Okay,
sir. Huh.
so yes, A means A is a person already. So
Yeah,
A can lay a railway track between two given stations in 16 days, and B can do same job in 12 days,
huh.
right?
Yeah,
With the help of C, they did the job in 4 days only,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
So then C alone can do the job in. So we have to, okay, I will take some simple question in the starting. Give me a second.
Sure, sir.
If he assisted, okay, yeah, this is a little easier one, okay, because initially I will give you some easy one. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will little bit modify also according to look here in your question. You can see A and B do the piece of work in XY days, right?
Yeah,
A started, B started working together, then A left, B joined. In this question, you can see B joined together after some days. A leaves, remaining work will be done by B, right? So this
correct.
kind of things. How
Yeah,
we do, or I will take similar problem. Give me a second.
sure, sir.
I'm just checking it. मेरे पास है. Give me a second. I'll just
Sure,
open,
sure.
check the question. Because I will tell you concept.
Sure, sir.
देखो मैं पहले in the starting I am taking the concept. Okay.
हाँ,
अभी questions पे मत जाना. Question difficulty level I will increase.
ठीक है
Okay.
सर. हाँ, या,
यहाँ देखो.
हाँ,
इसको करने का बेसिक मेथड जो होता है, मैं बेसिक नहीं बताऊंगा बिकॉज बेसिक तो स्कूल में लिखा जाता है. ठीक है.
हाँ,
आपको कॉम्पिटिटिव देना है, उसके लिए मैं बेसिक बताता हूँ.
हाँ सर.
इसमें क्या बोल रहा है कि A कैन डू अ पीस ऑफ वर्क इन 12 days एंड
या,
B कैन डू अ पीस ऑफ वर्क इन 15 days. करेक्ट.
या,
अगर दोनों साथ काम कर रहे हैं तो कितने दिन में काम फिनिश कर देंगे? इस तरह के क्वेश्चन होते हैं. राइट. कुछ नहीं
ओके,
करना
हाँ,
है. A ने कितने दिन में खत्म किया? तो 12 days.
12
B
days,
ने कितने दिन में खत्म किया? तो
15 days, 15
इन
days.
इन दोनों का या तो एलसीएम ले लो.
ओके,
राइट. या फिर इन दोनों को
या,
मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. ओके. सो
या,
मेरे केस में मैं तो मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूँ.
ओके,
ओके. सो ऊपर मैं लिखता हूँ 1 यूनिट
हाँ,
इज इक्वल्स टू 12 टाइम्स 15. मैं ये क्यों कर रहा हूँ मैं बता देता हूँ. रुक जाओ.
ओके, ओके,
ए ने 12 डेज में कोई काम खत्म किया है. उसने क्या काम किया ये तो मुझे पता नहीं है.
पता नहीं है. हाँ,
तो एक काम की डिफिनेशन हम डिफाइन करते हैं. वर्क
हाँ,
का डिफिनेशन
हाँ,
हम डिफाइन करते हैं. अब वो
हाँ,
डिफाइन करने का तरीका यहाँ ये है, या
हाँ,
आइदर यू कैन टेक द एलसीएम ऑफ दिस टू.
ओके,
तो एलसीएम लेने का क्या तरीका हुआ? या तो मल्टीप्लाई कर लो,
ओके,
या
ओके,
फिर यू कैन टेक द एलसीएम बाय यूजिंग प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड. राइट.
हाँ,
यू नो हाउ टू टेक द एलसीएम्स.
यस सर, यस सर.
हाँ, एलसीएम क्लियर है. बट मैं क्या करता हूँ, जल्दी सॉल्व करने के लिए एलसीएम नहीं लेता, मैं
हाँ,
डायरेक्टली मल्टीप्लाई कर देता हूँ.
ओके,
नंबर बिग जरूर हो जाते हैं बट आई कैन डू इट. इससे क्या हुआ, मेरे यूनिट्स कंफर्म हो गए. क्या कंफर्म हो गया?
यूनिट,
काम. यूनिट. दैट मींस द वर्क इज डिफाइंड नाउ.
ओके, ओके,
That suppose you and me are working together, right? So you have to do a job in 12 days. So how many job you have done in 12 days? We don't know.
I don't
So
know.
now with the help of this, I can say that you have done 180 pieces or 180 units or whatever. I have
Okay.
simple written one unit, one work.
Okay.
Sorry, I need to write down one work. I don't know what is the work. Either you are making chair, you are making knife, you are making computer. I don't know. I don't care. I
Okay.
just want to see the number. Okay.
Okay.
Is this
Okay.
part clear?
Sir, I have one doubt.
Yes.
So I understood the part about, like, say I'm doing a piece of work in 12 days and you will finish it in 15 days.
Yes.
Now, why
So I have defined, wait, I have defined the work. What is the work? But initially, the work was not defined. They have
Correct.
just told one work, same
one
work.
Correct, correct.
So
correct.
what is one work? So what is one work? So 180 pieces is the one work.
Okay, okay, okay. So 180 computers or 180 chairs or whatever.
Yes, yes. So that means I have given the definition that what is the one work.
Okay, okay, okay.
Now
Understood.
what to do? Yes, please understand each and every step. Because if you will not understand the steps, you can't do it quickly.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now think here.
Sir.
180 pieces he is doing in 12 days. Right?
12 days. Correct. Yeah.
So A will do 1 day. 1 day में कितना बनाएगा वो? 180 तो 12 days में बना रहा था.
Correct, sir. Yeah.
तो 1 day में कितना बनाएगा?
180 by 12.
तो 15.
15. Yeah.
अब देखो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया, मैंने लॉजिकली यहाँ डायरेक्टली 15 लिख दिया, मैं डिवाइड ही नहीं करता बिकॉज यहाँ तो मल्टीप्लाई कर रखा है. सो दैट इज द लॉजिक हियर.
Okay.
That's why I'm not taking the LCM. That's why I can do quickly. अभी मैं समझा रहा हूँ इसलिए मैं स्लो कर रहा हूँ.
Okay.
Right? Otherwise, I can do it in the 10 seconds we solve some होगा.
Okay.
Now, similarly, A will do 1 day. अब देखो define कर दिया था हमने. We have already defined 180 pieces they have to do. So A will do 15 pieces in 1 day.
Correct. Yeah.
So B will do in 1 day how many pieces?
12.
So he will do 12 pieces.
Yeah.
अब दोनों साथ में मिल गए. Both
Correct.
are working together. So
Correct.
I know your capacity. I know my capacity. Right. So just suppose that you can eat 10 chapatis. I can eat to 20 chapatis total. If I will sit together, we will sit.
Yeah.
We can eat 30 chapatis.
30 chapatis together. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
same way, same thing.
Yeah.
Like how friends, you go with your friends to your any restaurant and anywhere,
Yes, sir.
you eat, you drink, you take
Correct.
teas, coffees. Same
Yeah.
way here. So A and
Okay.
B working together.
Yeah.
So if they are working together, so in one day they will finish
27.
27 pieces.
Okay. 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 Okay.
So now just think here,
Yeah.
they have to complete 180 only.
180. Yeah.
27 pieces they are working in one day.
Correct.
So
180
180
divided by
pieces
27.
I
Yeah.
need to divide it.
Yeah.
So how many will come?
3 nines are 360s are 3 threes are 320. 20 by 3, sir.
So 20 by 3, right? So I will take 20 by 3 days to finish the job.
Yes.
Is
Sir.
that clear?
Yes. Sir.
Now look here, how much I did.
Just 3 steps. 3,
So
4 steps.
if you will understand it properly, and
Sir.
but you need to do practice on it. Okay.
Correct.
So
Yeah.
these steps are very easy. You can do it in your mind, no need of pen.
Okay. Yeah. Correct.
Are you getting my point?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
just you have to, okay, 12, 15, 180. So okay,
Yeah.
so A will do 15 piece, B will do 12. When one day they will do 27. So 180 divided by 27 will be this.
Got it.
Clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So no formula.
Yes, sir.
Just try to get the concept.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I will take another question.
Sure.
So
sir.
this was a basic question, simple question, right?
Okay.
Now concept will remain same. I'm not telling you another formulas. This is
Okay.
the way how we do, but
Okay.
there is a little change. What is the change? I will tell you. Can you see this question?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Now they are saying
Yeah.
both working together.
Okay.
Both working together, right?
Yeah. A plus
They have
B.
not separated you. They
Correct.
have just told both working together.
Yeah.
B alone can do in 30 days.
Yeah.
In how many days A alone finish the work, right?
Okay. Okay.
So here I'm not going to change anything.
Okay.
Just what is the given data? A plus B.
A plus B. A plus B.
A
is
plus B work in 12 days.
12 days.
So they are finishing in 12 days. Am I right?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
B alone. So I have just written only B. I have not written anyone else. So B alone is doing in how many days?
30 days. Sorry.
30
days.
So
Yeah.
they are finishing one job together in 12.
Well,
B
yeah.
alone finishing in 30 days. So first
30.
define what is one job. So one job is 360.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
I just multiplied.
Okay. Okay.
Why I will use my brain? I will not use my brain. Just multiply it.
Okay.
Now A and B will do one day. In one day, how many things they will do? Just divide it. So they will make 30 units.
Yeah. Yeah. 360
And the
divided by 12.
yes,
Yeah.
and the B will make in one day how many units?
12 units.
So just think here. Total 30 chapatis we were eating.
Correct.
12 chapatis you have eaten. So I have eaten how much?
18.
In one day, I have eaten
18
chapatis. So now you can see simply A one day job is 18 units.
Correct. Yeah.
A has to do how many units?
18.
No, 360 total. Total he has to make 360.
Sorry. 20.
Total 360. He can do 18 units in one day. So how many days he will take?
20 days.
20 days he will take out.
Yeah.
So it's logically, we are doing the same stuff. No formulas.
Okay.
Are you getting my concept? How we are doing that?
Yeah.
So if you will, right now it's taking time. I know that. But if you will learn it, if you will do the practice with it will take hardly 10 seconds, 10 or 5 seconds. Because you can see too much calculation. Very simple calculation. Add and subtract we are doing and dividing. No formulas, no using the brain. What formula will come in this question? How the formula will change? Is the formula change? Our concept is changing? No, we are doing same stuff.
Correct. Yeah.
Another problem.
Yes, sir.
Now difficulty level I will increase.
Sure, sir. Yeah. But wow, so this is like really helpful, sir. I'm able to understand like so much better.
Yeah. So now you can see here In
Yes.
this, they have told A can do a piece of work in 25 days, B
B
can do in 20 days. Okay, fine. Then they said that they work together for 5 days.
and then
That
A.
means just think here.
Yeah.
Both will work for the 5 days. After that, A will leave. That means suppose he will sick. He will leave the place, or he will resign it. He will leave the job, right?
Yeah.
So who has to do the job? B will.
B has to
B will.
finish.
So B
Yeah.
will do the remaining work, right?
Correct.
Now this question, how we do? Concept will remain same.
Same.
Just
Yeah.
follow the instructions what they have given here.
Okay.
So A can do 25 days. That means one day, one work he will finish in 25 days, right?
Yeah.
B 20 days. So we will
So
define one job.
one unit or one job will be 25 into 20.
So
That
just
is
500.
500 units. Yeah.
So A 1 day work. So एक दिन में कितना खत्म करेगा?
500 divided by 25. That is
20.
20. And
और
B
B
will
एक दिन में कितना खत्म करेगा?
25.
25 units, right?
Yeah.
दोनों साथ मिलकर एक दिन में कितना खत्म करेंगे?
45.
तो एक दिन में they are doing 45 unit.
Yeah.
अब मेरी बात बहुत ध्यान से सुनना. यहाँ तक क्लियर है? Till
Yes,
here
sir.
it's clear.
100%.
Now listen me very focusing here.
Yes, sir.
हमको 500 यूनिट्स बनाना है. कितना बनाना है?
500 units.
टोटल हमारा जो वर्क है, हमारी टीम का जो वर्क है, ए एंड बी टीम का 500 यूनिट्स बनाना है, राइट?
Correct. Yeah.
चलो तो स्टार्ट करते हैं. रुको. दोनों यहाँ पर कौन है? दोनों ने मिलकर काम शुरू किया.
Correct.
आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग, दैट्स व्हाई इट्स टेकिंग टाइम. ओके,
Yes, sir.
दोनों ने मिलकर काम शुरू किया. तो एक दिन में 45 यूनिट्स बनाते थे.
Correct.
दोनों कितने दिन तक काम कर रहे हैं दोनों?
5 days.
तो 5 डेज में कितना बन जाएगा?
45 into 5, that is 90, 180, 235, sir.
So 45 into 5 makes 225.
225, sorry. 225.
So 225 units 5 days में, 5 days में जी डन हो गया.
Correct.
It's done.
Correct.
Done in 5 days, right?
Yeah.
Now from here B has to work, right?
Yeah.
So out of 500, 225 is done. 225 is done.
275.
So how much is left?
275 divided by 25, sir. Am I?
Yes, divided by 25.
Yeah.
So it will become how much?
1,
11.
11. Yeah.
So B will do work 11 days alone.
Okay. Okay.
Do you understand the concept here?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So here I can say B alone will work
In 11 days.
for 11 days for remaining, not for total work,
Correct. Yeah.
for
To
remaining
finish the
work.
remaining work.
Yes, total work. So totally he has done 16 days.
Correct.
5 days with A. Sometimes the
plus B,
question,
yeah.
what the question will change. What is the total number of working days of the B? So sometimes people, what they do, 11 days they put the answer. No, 5 days here also he has done the work.
Correct.
If you're doing work with someone, you will not be paid. Obviously, you will be paid.
Correct. Yeah. Correct.
Right.
Yeah.
So why you will not take that one? If you're doing alone, you will be paid. If you're doing with someone else, you will be paid. Right.
Yes.
So
Yes.
this is the way how we do it. So
Okay.
now this is this type of formula where it was. I think first one, A left the job in 3 days, T will have to complete the work, right?
Correct. Correct. Yes, sir. Yeah.
So you can see both begin together. After some days, A leave to work. So you can see the concept remains same,
The same. Yeah.
right?
Okay.
Concept is remains same. Just we are applying the brain here for simplifying.
Okay.
So when you will, that means when you will understand, when you will do the practice, the time for solving will reduce.
Okay.
And these concepts you will never forget.
Got it, sir.
That also formula you can forget because so many formulas. Now you can see in we have done how many questions? 3 questions.
Three
Same
questions.
concept we are applying.
Yes.
If you know only one concept for one thing, so obviously you will not forget it.
Correct.
Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will increase the level now. Okay, I have taken that problem where it was. Yes. Can you see that? Okay, no, this one not. Yes. Can you see that?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
In this question is another different way. right?
Hmm.
So you cannot solve by this formula method because
Okay.
formula will be different for it.
Correct. Yeah.
Just give me a second.
Sure, sir.
Just give me a second. Yes, bro. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, just give me a second.
Sure, sir. No problem.
Okay, so yes, I was here. Yes, I was talking here for this question. Sorry.
No
Okay,
problem.
so A, B, C can do a piece of work, right?
Yes, sir.
In how many days A do the work if he's assisted by B and C on every third day?
Third
Now,
day.
what is the scenario? I will just explain here.
Yeah.
Suppose I have started the work on Monday. My
Huh.
name is Avinash A.
Yeah.
So I have started the work on Monday.
Yeah.
So Monday A, Tuesday A, but on Wednesday A, B, C all are working.
All are working together. Okay.
Then again Thursday only A, the Friday only A, but on Saturday A, B, C all are working,
Yeah.
and this is going continuing.
And,
So
yeah.
how many days A will take to complete the job,
Hmm.
right?
Yeah.
So if he's assisting only on, suppose you are running a coaching institute, so
Yes, sir.
Monday to Friday, that Monday to Friday, you are running by yourself, and
Yeah.
Saturday, Sunday, you get extra teachers.
Extra teachers. Ha.
Same
Okay.
way, right? So
Yes,
now
sir.
we have to do this problem. So let's
Okay.
see. So do you understand what is the question
Yes, sir.
actually, right?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
now we will not use any other formula. We will go by same. Here it's written 20 days,
He's 30,
30 days,
he's 60.
and 60 days, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So if I go for, so here the number will be very big, so I will take the LCM.
LCM. Okay.
Okay, so I can see I can take the LCM 10, 2, 3, 6, then 2, so 1, 3, 2. So it will give me how much? 10 times 2 times 6, so 12, 120, right?
120. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So
120.
now I will define one job is equals to 120 units. Unit pieces, whatever you want.
Sure.
So
Yeah.
A, 1 day work will be
6.
6, 6 unit.
6
That
units.
means he can make 6 chairs.
Yeah.
B, 1 day. So in
4
one
units.
day he can make
4 chairs.
4
4 units.
chairs. And C can make in 1 day
2 chairs.
2 chairs.
Yeah.
If I see together, so
12
if they
chairs.
work together, so they will make 12 chairs,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, sir.
Now just look here. On the first day, A will work.
Yeah.
So he is making 6 chairs.
6.
On the B, sorry, on the, that means, sorry, on the next day, again, A will do work.
So it will be
So
12.
again, 6.
Yeah.
But on the third day, A, B, C all will do.
12.
So in 3 days, how many chairs we are making? 24,
chairs. Yeah. 24 chairs.
right?
Yeah.
So we are making 24 chairs in how many days?
3 days.
So 3 days, 24, correct?
Correct.
So just make a times table. How many it will be? 24.
24 into
So
5 is 120.
wait, so 24 into 5 gives me 120, yes, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So it means that if I make here 5, I need to make here 5 also. So in 15 days, 120 units will be completed. Why here? I know you have
Completed.
confusion. Look here, in 3
Yeah.
days, they are making 24, right?
Correct. Yeah.
So 3 days, 24, 3 days, 24, 3 days, 24, again 3 days, 24.
24.
So again 3
More,
days,
yeah.
24. Now this is 120, this is 15
Yeah.
days.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Got it, sir. Got it. Yeah.
So you have to think logically. You need to think how to go ahead further according to the question. So
Question.
little bit brain you have to apply in the last.
Okay.
So
Okay.
what to do, what not to do, which
Sure.
one you need to include, which one you not need to include, whether
Okay.
I will include ABC, whether I will not include ABC, right? So
Okay.
these you have to apply the brain, but the concept is remain same. You
Same.
can see that. And concept, I
Correct.
think you find easy easy concept here,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Definitely.
here, no need to mug up the formulas.
Ah,
So you can see, right?
yes, sir. Absolutely.
Okay.
But sir, this is like really, really amazing. I wish I'd spoken to you earlier, sir. Seriously, this is so
Yeah.
useful. I'm able to understand the chapter. Like it's making so much sense now.
Yeah. Okay. So now, if you see here, so we are done with all types or any left? Give me a second.
Sure, sir.
I think all these types. So what you can do
Yeah,
now onwards for work and time, no
sir.
need to mug up the formulas.
Okay.
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 Go for concept wise. Okay. So you
Okay.
can see I have gone through these questions. So don't
Correct.
worry, I will give you this PPT. You
Okay.
will get the PPT, so you can do the practice at your home. You can see also how we are doing this.
Sure,
Okay.
sir. Sure. Yeah.
So no need to write down or anything. Don't worry about it. I'm just looking for another problem. Yes, this was the
Sir, I
problem.
had one more question.
Yes, yes, tell
Like
me.
with time and work itself, like
Mhm.
I've understood like all the variables like till now. When they
Right.
ask questions like A and B can do it, B and C can do like X amount of work,
Ah, yes, yes. I have that problem. Don't worry. I will
A
give
and
you.
C.
Yes, 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 yes. I have. Wait, wait, wait.
Sure, sir.
This one you want. Just give me a second. Yeah. So we have different types, right?
Correct. Yeah.
So types of the problem we have to go ahead. But types are different. Doesn't matter. My concept will remain same.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now
Yeah.
you can see. You can read the question. This is the question you were talking.
Yeah. A and
Read
B
loud.
can do a piece of work in 12 days. B and C can do it in 15 days, and C and A can finish it in 20 days. Okay. So can we take A and B as X, B and C as Y, and C
No,
and
why? No, no. Just go ahead. Just read the question. Just read
okay.
it.
While C and A can finish it in 20 days. In how many days will A, B, C finish it working together? In how many
That
days will
means when they will work together.
A plus
Suppose
B plus C?
यस मतलब सब मिलकर एक बार बैठ गए ना मान लो कि मैं एग्जांपल देता हूँ
Yes,
आप कभी अपने फ्रेंड के साथ किसी एक फ्रेंड के साथ कभी रेस्टोरेंट गए फिर
correct,
वो आपका फ्रेंड दूसरे फ्रेंड के साथ रेस्टोरेंट गया आप
correct,
उसके फ्रेंड के साथ रेस्टोरेंट गए तो सभी में अलग अलग खाया आपने
correct. Yeah,
लेकिन आप सब मिलकर एक साथ चले जाओगे तो आप लोग कुछ
huh,
अलग खाओगे
correct.
अलग मीन्स जल्दी खाओगे ज्यादा अमाउंट खाओगे राइट
Yes,
So
yes,
same thing here, right? So अगर
yes.
तीनों मिल गए A and
Huh,
B, C, if they are working together, so
yeah,
in quick, obviously जल्दी काम खत्म होगा,
correct,
right?
correct. Yeah, yeah.
अच्छा दूसरा फिर पूछता है in how many days each
Will
one of them.
one
अब
of them?
alone अकेला अकेला काम करेगा तो खत्म कितने दिन में होगा? No
Okay,
worry, concept will remain same. कोई एक्सपेक्ट लेने की जरूरत नहीं है.
okay, okay.
A plus B कितना बोला? 12.
Yeah,
B plus C कितना बोला? 15. And C plus A कितना बोला?
20.
20. मतलब 12 days में फिनिश होता है, 15 days में फिनिश होता है, C plus A दोनों मिलकर
20.
20 days
20.
में फिनिश होता है. तो वन जॉब, पहले तो वन जॉब डिफाइन करो. तो यहाँ भी बड़ा नंबर हो जाएगा इसलिए मैं एलसीएम ले लेता
LCM.
हूँ
Yeah.
क्योंकि बहुत बड़ा नंबर भी नहीं चाहिए फिर कैलकुलेशन मिस्टेक हो जाती है.
Huh.
सो एलसीएम ले लेते हैं तो आई कैन गो बाय 5. तो 12. 5 3s are 5 4s are. अब मैं 3 से ले लेता हूँ सो 4 1 4. अब मैं 4 से ले लूंगा सो 1 1 1. तो कितना हो जाएगा 60
60.
60 यूनिट राइट.
Yeah, yeah.
नाउ 60 यूनिट यहाँ हो गया हमारा करेक्ट.
Yes,
सो
sir.
A प्लस B 1 डे
1 day will be 5 units.
मतलब
5.
हाँ यस 5 यूनिट मतलब 5 चेयर एक दिन में दोनों मिलके बना लेंगे.
Correct.
दो B प्लस C कितने दिन एक दिन में कितना बनाएगा?
4 chairs.
4 चेयर्स. हाँ मतलब सोचते हैं कुछ भी सोच लो ना कोई दिक्कत नहीं
Yeah.
है. और C plus A will make
3 chairs.
3 chairs. कोई
So
प्रॉब्लम है?
A plus B plus C
Now
will be 12.
when wait. Now A plus B दोनों मिलके काम किया है. Both
Okay.
working. Here both working.
Both.
Here
Yeah.
both working. So if
Correct.
I will add the left hand side, it
Yeah.
will become 2a, 2b, 2c. मतलब दो बार A ने काम किया, दो बार B ने काम किया, दो बार C ने काम किया,
Okay.
and that one day, क्योंकि दो आदमी बहुत जा रहे हैं ना, यहाँ से देखो, यहाँ A, यहाँ B, right?
Correct.
And this
Yeah.
makes how many units? About 12 units.
12 units.
So दो A, so we can say A plus B, 2 common ले लेंगे, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah,
A plus B, 1 day work will be
6 units. Okay.
so so 6 units,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yeah.
तो तीनों मिलकर एक दिन में 6 यूनिट बनाते हैं.
Correct. Yeah.
So A plus B plus C will take how many days? So 60 units बनाना है इनको.
10 days.
So will take 10 days.
Okay.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
One part is done.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Second part alone निकालना है हमें. Right?
Yeah.
So I just write down here A plus B plus C 1 day work. एक दिन में कितना बनाते हैं?
6 units.
6 unit.
Yeah.
और B plus C एक दिन में कितना बनाते हैं?
4 units.
4 unit.
Yeah.
तो अगर सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं तो A, क्योंकि B plus C मिलके 4 यूनिट बना रहा है, मतलब 4 चेयर्स बनाया, और तीनों मिलके 6 चेयर एक दिन में बना रहे हैं, तो A ने एक दिन में कितना बनाया?
2 chairs.
2 चेयर्स.
Yeah.
टोटल कितना बनाना है?
60.
So A will finish the work. A will
30 days.
Yes, simple.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, अब देखो मैं लॉजिकली कैसे करता हूँ. Without pen. 6 units बनाया तीनों ने मिलके.
Correct.
All together they are making 6 units, right? Now I need to find for B, right?
Correct.
So I will C plus A 3 units.
Yeah.
So C plus A minus, if I will minus it, so only B will remain. Correct. So B will make in 1 day 3 units.
3 units.
So 60 by 3, 20. So I can simply write down here, B will finish the work in 20 days.
Yeah.
Similarly, for C, so A plus B plus C, 1 day job is 6 units. Yeah. So A plus B, 5 units. So C will make 1 unit in a day.
1 unit.
So 60 units,
60
1
days.
unit, so 60 days.
Yeah.
So this question is also done logically.
Yes. Yeah.
Now you can see if you will do the practice
yes,
lot,
yeah,
and you will learn this method, so you can solve quickly. And
yes.
now, do you think you have to learn different formulas for it?
No, definitely
no
not.
Formula.
Yeah, yeah.
Only concept and calculation should be fast. Okay. Adding, subtracting, because if you are not good in adding, subtracting, multiplication, division,
yes,
very fast, so
yeah.
that means you should not give the examination. I will be very frank. If you are not good at addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, don't
yes,
give the exam. Because in the exam, there is concept plus fast calculation.
Correct. Absolutely.
Okay, because you can see these people have given lot of formulas. So what they are doing, you have to put the formula, one job, another job, you have to do the calculation also fast. You have to do the multiplication, addition, subtraction, division.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yeah.
So here I'm not telling you to do learning formulas, but yes, one concept for one thing and just go ahead. Is that clear?
Yes, sir. 100%.
Yeah. So this is one type. So what you can do, you can do practice with it, and whether you are getting any other type of problem or if you stuck anywhere, okay, just apply the same concept everywhere. Okay. And if you stuck anywhere, let me know the question. I will help you. Okay.
Done.
Now in here, in this kind of questions.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just I will tell you one concept.
Okay.
Distance is equal. Okay, you know the thing.
Is equal to distance.
Speed by time. Is equal to distance by time.
Yeah.
You know that?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Now, whenever we solve this kind of problem, okay. So right now, okay, I will just take the few problems here. Give me a second.
Sure, sir.
Time and distance. Oh, sorry, it's a time and distance, speed and time.
Sir, I hope I'm not keeping you from something else, some other class or something.
No, no, it's okay. It was my free time. I have
Oh,
given you my free time.
thank you so much, sir. I really, really appreciate this. I can't like thank you enough for this.
No, no, it's okay. It's okay. No issue. Yes. What I will tell you. Give me a second.
Yes, sir.
I'm
Sure.
just going to tell you the concept. What we do. Okay.
Okay. Okay, sir.
So what you can do, you can take the problems,
Huh.
okay,
Huh.
and you can send to me. So I will tell you the concept. But the concept is just one concept here, okay.
Okay. Okay.
What I do generally, I always remember the speed is equals to
Distance
distance
by
by time,
time. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah.
Now, whenever we solve the problem, few things should be constant,
Huh.
okay.
Okay.
So few things can be constant. So here you can see in this question, I will take this question, okay.
Sure, sir. Yeah.
Just give me a second for explaining. I need space. So you can see here, right?
Yeah.
So in this, if you see here, they have given a speed, they have given time.
Yeah.
So what should be the constant? Distance will be the constant.
Correct. Huh.
Either you are increasing the speed. Just listen me. How we think in the exam.
Yeah.
So here I can see that the speed is changing, time is changing. So what should
Yeah.
be the constant? Distance should be the
Distance.
constant.
Distance. Yeah.
Obviously, what if I will increase the speed, decrease the speed, if I will taking more time, less time,
That's right.
distance would remain same.
Correct.
Is that
100%.
clear?
Yes, sir.
When we solve this kind of problems,
Yeah.
okay, we draw a line.
Okay.
For explaining, I'm telling you, if
Sure,
I will
sure.
solve, I will not do this.
Okay.
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 So for explanation, because you need this. So here, if I say that A and B,
Huh.
there is two cities or two
Okay.
places.
Yeah.
So distance of Rajiv school from his house. Okay, take care. Okay, so
Huh.
this is house and this is Rajiv school. So HS I have taken
Okay.
house to school. So what
Okay.
do you think today? The house to school has some distance.
Yeah.
So it will change tomorrow?
Definitely not.
It
It
will
will
not
remain.
change.
Yeah.
Yes, obviously the speed and time will differ.
Yeah.
Correct? So
Correct.
just think here, distance is D,
Yeah.
distance is
D.
D, and he has taken T time for reaching the school.
Hmm.
If the distance is D, if there is some speed, so he will take T time for
D.
reaching the school.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, when he walks at 3 kilometers per hour,
Per hour. Yeah.
what is the speed?
3 kilometers per hour.
3 kilometers per hour. He is 5 minutes late. 5 minutes late means he is taking 5 minutes more or 5 minutes less?
5 minutes more.
5 minutes more.
More. Yeah.
So when the speed is 3 kilometers per hour,
Yeah.
right, the
Yeah.
time becomes T plus 5 minutes,
Okay. 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 Hmm. Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So
Correct.
here the time I have taken in minutes.
Minutes.
Okay, remember that, not in
Yeah.
hours.
Not in
Okay.
hours. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, time is in minutes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Because here is hour, so I will not change, because if
Okay.
I will do changing all these, वो बच्चों वाली बात हो जाएगी, ठीक है?
Okay. Okay.
तो
I was
स्कूल
actually
लेवल पे
thinking of that conversion to meter per this thing
हाँ
second.
यस, नहीं जरूरत ही नहीं है ना, जरूरत
Okay.
नहीं है,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
वो कर सकते थे,
Huh.
तो वो स्कूल में बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं वैसे करना पड़ेगा फिर, जरूरत
Okay.
क्या है, आपको थोड़ी ना स्कूल टीचर को दिखाना है स्टेप, यू हैव टू
Huh.
जस्ट टेक द ऑप्शंस.
Correct. I just have to objective type that.
तो ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप का है, आपको टीचर को थोड़ा ना दिखाना कि जी मैंने आई हैव डन बाय these steps,
Correct.
right?
Correct. Yeah.
No
Yeah.
need for that. That's what I'm not telling you. Why you will go inside it?
Makes
No,
sense.
no need. We
Got
have to
it.
save the time,
Yes, sir.
right?
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
the speed is 3 kilometers per hour.
3
So I
kilometers.
have taken 5 minutes extra.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So this is the speed and this is the time.
Time.
So distance would be how much? Speed into time.
Speed into time. Yeah.
So 3 times t plus 5.
Yeah.
Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, if he walks 4 kilometers per hour, so the speed is 4 kilometers per hour. So I'm reaching school early. Early means I'm taking less time or more time.
3 minus 5.
So
Less
I
time.
will less time.
Yeah.
So for by distance will remain same.
Correct. Yeah.
So I can write 4 into t minus 5.
Yeah.
Now both equal.
Yeah. Okay.
So 3 t minus 5,
3
4.
plus 5. T plus 5.
Sorry, yeah, t plus 5, yes. T minus 5, this becomes equation.
Correct.
So 3t plus 15 is equals to 4t
minus
minus 20. So this
Okay.
becomes t is equals to 35, right?
Correct. Yeah.
They are asking distance.
Yeah.
So t is 35 and t is 35, right?
Please
Either
say-
use this, either this is one equation, this is second equation.
Okay.
आप
Okay.
कोई भी यूज कर लो तो ये मिनट्स में है, राइट?
Yeah.
तो d is equals to 3 किलोमीटर पर आवर है,
हाँ.
तो अभी मुझे टाइम आवर में चाहिए, राइट?
Correct.
तो
Yeah.
35 वहां पुट करेंगे तो 40/60 हो जाएगा आवर में
Correct.
कन्वर्ट करने के लिए.
Okay. Okay.
मिनट्स इनटू आवर हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे ना,
Yeah. 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 Yeah.
तो आप कर लो. 2/3 कैंसल. So
Yeah.
d is equals to 2 किलोमीटर.
2 kilometers.
अगर इस इक्वेशन को इस्तेमाल करते तो
हाँ.
d is equals to 4, ये हो जाता 5 minutes less, so this becomes 30 by 60. 60 इसलिए कर रहे हैं, आवर में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं
2 again.
because हमें लास्ट आवर में चाहिए, so it becomes
Correct.
here 2. So
Yeah.
1/2 is equals to 2.
Okay.
तो ये जो स्टफ मैंने यहाँ ये लिखा है, दिस इज फॉर एक्सप्लेनेशन.
Okay.
आप एग्जाम में ये लिखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है.
Okay.
ये बस आपको दिमाग में रहेगा, आप क्विकली लिख सकते हो. डिस्टेंस वुड बी सेम, सो
Yes.
3t minus 5 is equals to 4t plus t plus 5 t minus 5. बस
Okay.
ये आप लिख के सॉल्व कर लो, एक ही
Okay.
लाइन में सॉल्व हो जाएगा इन वन
Okay.
लाइन.
Okay. Done, sir.
ये मैंने इतना बताया, इतना सब समझाया फॉर यू.
Yes, sir.
If you
Yes.
will understand, you can do in quick way, right?
हाँ.
तो
got
मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है. मैं तो अगर मुझे मिलता है ये क्वेश्चन, मैं तो बस ये लाइन लिखता है यहाँ पे,
Okay. 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 Okay.
because distance would be same.
Correct. Yeah.
So मैंने दोनों तरफ distance put up किया, उसका इक्वेशन लिखा, बात खत्म हो गई. इतना लिखने की मुझे जरूरत ही नहीं है. And then I will
Correct.
calculate the distance.
Yeah. Yeah.
Clear?
Got it. Sir.
Okay. So give me a second. यहाँ पे ये हो गया. हाँ, ये क्वेश्चन देखो, यहाँ भी आंसर 2 आया. Can you see that? So
हाँ, yeah.
why we will learn this much formulas, calculations?
हाँ.
No need
Yeah.
of that, right?
No, correct.
Okay, coming to this, ये क्या है क्वेश्चन में? Just give me a second.
Sure, sir.
मैं आंसर भी ले लेता हूँ अभी, ताकि हम क्लियरिफाई कर सके. देखो, कहता है a man cover half of his journey at 6 km/h,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And the remaining half at
3
3
kilometers.
km/h. तो ये सब तो कुछ एवरेज स्पीड के फॉर्मूला बड़े आसान होते हैं. इट्स वेरी इजी. So
Yeah.
either you can apply the formula, that is also fine.
Okay.
Okay. But what I do generally, okay,
Yeah.
I know that the average speed means total distance by total time.
Correct.
Correct?
Yeah.
So just look here. If I see here to here,
Yeah.
that means a formula is very easy. You can apply that. But if you don't know the formula,
Yeah.
it doesn't mean that you can't solve it. Okay.
Okay.
So here I know that. So can I take distance as a d here to here, and
Yes,
I
sir.
can take distance d here.
Okay.
Whatever my distance, it's depends upon me what I'm taking, right?
Right.
So distance is d, speed is 6, speed is
6 kilometers per
6
hour.
kilometer per hour, and here the speed is
3 kilometers per hour.
3 kilometer per hour.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So what time? Time would be d by 6,
Okay.
and here time will be d by 3.
by 3. Yeah.
Total time, how much is taking? d by 6, d
Plus
by
three.
3,
Okay.
right?
Okay. Yeah.
So this will become here how much? 1 by 6 plus 2 by 6, that's 3 by 6. So 1 by 2. Can you
1 by-
see?
Yes, sir.
So that
Yes.
means I can say d by 2. What I can say?
D by
d
2.
by 2. So
Yeah.
now average speed, I'm writing down the formula for you.
Yes, sir.
Average speed, I know that total distance.
By total time.
This is the concept which you have learned very early, right?
Correct. Yeah.
Total time.
Yeah.
Means in grade 6, 7, you have learned it,
Yes. Sir.
right?
Yeah.
This formula you have not learned, but this concept you have learned.
Yes.
So total distance is 2d. Total time is d by 2.
Yeah.
So this d cancel. This 2 by 1 times 2 by 1. That makes 4.
Four. Okay. Okay. Wow.
So no need to mug up the formula, just concept.
Yes, sir.
So when you understand, you can do it quickly. आप
Correct.
जल्दी जल्दी कर सकते हो इसको,
Correct.
right?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
what I mean, so you just go by this,
Yes, sir.
okay?
Yeah.
Do practice,
Yes, sir.
okay?
Huh.
So when you will do the practice, when you will go through it, because it will take little time to be habitual of it.
Huh.
Okay,
Correct.
these stuff I'm teaching after so many long time.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
because that means when because these days I'm just looking into the school and all, right?
Okay.
So these concepts I have taught with long ago. Okay.
Okay.
So you need to be habitual with
Yeah.
these things.
Yes,
So
sir.
you can, yes, obviously practice makes perfect.
Perfect.
So how much practice you will do, you
Yes,
will
sir.
learn it. And which exam you are going to do? I think CDS you told me, right?
Sir, this is the Territorial Army exam, sir.
Okay, okay. So
But the syllabus is more or less the same as CDS itself, and it's all objective type. But the only
no,
challenge,
I know about the CDS.
huh,
Territorially, I have actually not seen the paper. CDS paper I have seen.
okay, sir.
CDS paper I have seen it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but
Same
I
syllabus
think,
as CDS,
but
sir.
I think their SSB will be very very tough.
Yes, sir. Actually, SSB, I'm like a little more confident than the written part, because for me, what's happening, finding time between work and like studying is what. And for me, the way I'm studying, I'm like like ratifying the formulas, and I'm just trying
Okay.
to apply the formulas and doing so.
No,
Because
that
that's
is also people do that. I am not saying people doesn't do. People do. Okay, but
uh,
I found little difficult for.
no, sir. This, like what you taught me today, is like seriously, it's an eye opener, because I
Yeah.
wasn't taught like this even earlier. Like earlier, my teacher also, like, she made me learn all the formulas, and she explained like how to remember the formulas. So she never taught me concepts like this, and this is exactly what was missing, sir. So if I prepare like this time, I'm like very confident that I'll clear the exam, sir. I just want to.
Yeah.
Uh,
So whatever. And your when is your examination?
July 11th, sir.
July 11th. Okay. Yeah, that's fine. Then I can help you more frequently. In
That would
that
be
means
great.
these days.
Uh, uh,
Uh, till May, I can help you. Suppose one or two classes in a week.
that is more than enough, sir. Yeah.
So, but in after May,
Uh,
because
uh,
board examination will over, then
okay.
I can help you more frequently.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
that means more classes we can
Sure, sir.
do
Sure.
that.
Uh,
Okay, so there is no worry, no need to worry. So you can go ahead. Okay,
okay.
and a lot of things. So try to get the concept.
Okay.
And for practicing, what you are doing right now.
Sir, I'm using RS Agarwal, the
Okay.
quantitative aptitude, like this book.
Okay, yeah, right. Oh, it's a thicker one you have taken.
It's a really, that is what is scaring me, sir. So each chapter has around 300 to 400 questions.
Yes.
And as it, like the questions, like I go towards like 100, 120, 130, it's getting more and more challenging. And there are
Right.
about 1,500 questions. So for me, it's like I'm running out of time, and like I want
No,
to.
so you have completed this book till now or not?
No, sir, I've finished like 3 to 4 chapters, I think. But
Only 3 to 4.
no, sir, but I'm familiar with the basic concepts like trigonometry. I've done mensuration. I
Mm-hmm.
have done percentages. I can do it without any formulas. Like I can just, I take some time, but I.
Okay, what I will help you, I will take one class for all your basic like geometry and trigonometry and all.
Okay,
Okay, and what help I can give, I will give to you.
that
Okay,
would be.
because in that, because in this is the arithmetic part. Okay,
Correct, correct,
so here concepts are different, but in geometry, in trigonometry, in statistics, there
yeah,
are not too much things. They are very simple.
correct,
Okay,
yeah,
only the concept should be clear.
yes, sir,
So, and they asked, okay, yes, they asked the concepts of the 10th,
huh,
basically. So
correct,
I
yes,
will let you know the concepts completely, so
sure,
you
sir.
can apply there quickly. And one more thing, for your
Yes, sir.
trigonometry, do you know how to make the tables?
Yes, sir, I know the table. So sine 0, 30, 45, 60. Sine is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, and root 3 by 2. So that
Okay.
is from 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. So 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2,
Oh,
and
wait. This is time over. Look
sorry.
here. Sine, cos, tan, 0, 30, 45, 60, 90.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
On the top, you need to write 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4, root under, root under, root under, root under,
Oh,
0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1, 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0,
okay.
0, makes 1 by root 3, 1, root 3, infinite. Done.
Wow. Okay.
10 seconds.
Yes, sir.
So you can see only sine cos tan, if you know that,
Yeah.
you can do full trigonometry.
Full.
There is
Okay.
no problem. Okay.
Okay.
So this is the way, that
Huh.
means before the examination, you need this table.
Correct.
Because when the question comes in the exam,
Yeah.
people do mistakes in values, like how you were doing in on
Yes.
your fingers, you were remembering the values, and actually during the exam there will be pressure,
Correct, sir.
extreme pressure to do fast,
Fast.
and
Correct.
people do mistakes in that.
Huh.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Yes,
They
sir.
know the though they know the concept, they know the things, but actually what
Yeah.
happens is mental. You can see it's a human nature.
Correct.
Okay,
Correct. Yeah.
that the students, those who are writing the examination,
Yeah.
right now you will not feel the pressure, but in the
Huh.
examination
Tension.
you
Yeah.
will
Tension
feel
also.
the pressure, you will feel the
Yeah.
tension.
Correct,
Okay,
sir.
you will not get the time to see up.
Correct, sir.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah.
either if, yeah, but for those who are not serious, it's okay, fine, but
Huh.
those who are serious candidates, they those who want to qualify the examination,
Yeah.
they will not get the time to see up or here and there.
Ah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
time is very precious in the examination, because a lot of
Absolutely.
questions they have to do,
Yeah.
right? I think they ask 180 or 150 questions, right?
100 questions, sir. So 50
100
from
questions.
reasoning and 50 from maths. And it's
Okay.
2 hours. So in 120 minutes, we have to solve 100 questions.
Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so for reasoning and all, I will help you. So quick things like how you coding, decoding, blood relations,
Okay.
and one thing is, I think I forget the name. What was syllogism? Mostly they
Ha,
ask
ha.
syllogism, right?
Syllogism. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Syllogism is a very tough part in this.
And
Have you
also
gone through?
the this thing, conditions, which of the conditions hold true?
Yes,
Like some
yes.
apples are oranges, some oranges are
Right,
true. Those
right.
end up taking the most time, sir.
Yeah, no issue. So try to get as much. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So I
Yes, sir.
have
Yeah.
few techniques which I will help give to you. Okay,
Okay.
so for your
Okay.
examination, you can apply those.
Okay.
Fine. And yeah, okay. Yes, you were saying you teach in school also
Yes, sir.
music.
Yes, sir. Yeah, I teach music, sir. I
Okay,
work part
so
time.
mhm.
I teach part time at a international school, so I go there like 3 days in a week, sir. So
Okay.
I
So what
teach.
is the timing?
Timings, I mean, now it's all online, sir. I have to go on Tuesdays, but now again, there has been a surge in the cases and all that. So I don't know
Hmm.
what is going to happen. So they might change the this thing back to online itself. I'm not sure.
Okay.
Yeah,
So okay. Fine.
but
And
it's very
from
relaxed, sir. I don't have any. I don't have a lot of classes. Like yesterday,
okay.
yes, I had classes till
Yeah,
one.
no issue, no issue. I'm just asking randomly. Okay.
Okay.
So and from where you have learned this music?
Sir, I'm self-taught, sir. I've been learning on my own.
Okay.
I've been yeah.
Okay. And how do you know, sir?
Shashi Kiran,
Yes.
sir. He's my cousin.
Oh, cousin. Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
yeah, yeah.
okay.
So he's my dad's brother's son. So he's my first
Okay.
cousin. Yeah.
Understood. Okay, fine.
So he
Okay,
told me he's like, like he's like, sir is really good. He asked me to reach out to you. So that's when I
okay.
called you in December, sir.
Yeah, actually, that time I was busy.
Busy,
So
yes, sir. I can,
currently also I'm running busy, but yes, I can find few times
yes,
now.
sir. Sir, I would be like seriously so thankful to you if
No,
you
no,
could help
it's okay.
me.
It's okay.
This is my
I will
third
give to you.
attempt, and I really want to clear it, sir. This time, like you have no idea. This is really important for me because, yeah, my own personal reasons also because I've been very passionate about joining the forces.
Okay, one more thing. So, what is your educational background?
I've done my business management, sir.
From where?
From Surana College. I don't know if you know.
Surana College? No, I don't know. From where is it?
It's near Jayanagar, sir, South End Circle.
Jayanagar in Bangalore.
Yeah. I'm from
Oh,
Bangalore.
okay, in Bangalore. Okay, okay,
Yeah, yeah.
that's okay. Okay, so when you have done
2011, sir. I graduated in
2000,
2011.
so okay, in 2011, and what is your age now then?
I am going to be 31, sir, next week.
31.
Yeah.
Okay, and so for so you are doing some businesses or what?
No, sir, nothing. I'm a full-time musician. I just teach at the school, and
Okay,
I also have two students who come home, and as in it's just online learning, but
okay,
I
okay,
teach online. Yes, sir.
okay. Fine, fine. No, I'm asking. You said you are 31. So you are married or what?
No, sir, I'm single.
Okay, still
I'm
single. Okay,
I'm
okay,
still waiting to get into the army. Only after that, I'm planning to get married.
okay. So age, I think in because my father was in army. He's
Ha ha
retired.
ha.
So that's why I'm asking. So
Sir.
because I know CDS, NG, all these are age limits. So I think
Correct.
Temple Army, what is the age limit they have
42,
given?
sir. 42 is the age
Oh,
limit.
42. Okay,
Yeah,
okay,
18 to
okay.
42. And one
Yeah,
of the
yeah.
conditions for joining the territorial army is you have to be gainfully employed. So that means you have to have a graduate degree in any
Mm-hmm.
stream, and you can have any job. So it doesn't matter whether it's part time, full time,
Okay, okay.
unless you're in a government organization.
No,
Then
because for territorial army, because I have seen, basically I'm from Bihar, okay,
okay, okay, sir.
and my hometown is Patna, but I
Okay,
have studied, I have done my schooling from Muzaffarpur. So
okay,
there
okay.
was a territorial army, okay,
Ha.
so there was a Jat battalion. So it was, I think,
Ha.
they recruit for the 5 or 10 years, I think, some.
5 or 10 years, matlab, sir, I didn't
So
understand.
that means when you will join the territorial army, you
Ha.
will serve for I think 3 years
No,
or
no, no.
5 years.
You also now there is an option to serve till 54 or something. So 54,
Oh,
55.
okay, okay,
You
okay.
can serve till
No,
you retire.
no. Nowadays I have heard some news about it,
Correct,
but
correct.
initially it was not.
Yeah.
Okay,
The
so
funny
that's
thing is,
why
not
me.
a lot of people know about territorial army, sir. Even army officers, like they don't know much about.
No, no. I know. Territorial army. I know that. What it is
Ah,
NCC territorial army. I have idea about it.
okay,
Okay.
okay. Yeah.
So I think they have training program in Chennai. I think OTA.
No, sir.
Where?
Territorial army will be in IMA,
IMA.
Indian Military
No,
Academy.
IMA they do, but for few days they have to go for Chennai OTA also. Officers Training Academy Chennai.
Okay. From whatever I've read, it's only like there is a 3 month post commission training for
Okay.
TA officers in IMA, but it's only for 3 months. It's not like a full course like the regular army
Mhm.
officers get.
Okay. No, 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 no. I have heard about it. They have to go to
Okay, okay,
OTA starting. For
okay,
those who clear CDS, they go to IMA Dehradun.
okay.
Okay.
Huh,
And those who clear for territorial army,
huh.
they will first they will go, I think, OTA Chennai.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Huh.
And then they will send to I think IMA Dehradun.
IMA is it? Oh, okay, okay,
Yeah.
okay, okay. Huh.
First they have to go to Chennai for
Okay, okay,
learning few things and all. Okay,
okay,
no issue. So now I have time to join another class. So you
okay.
just do the practice and let
Huh.
me know whether you need help. Okay?
Done, sir. Huh. Done.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe
Okay. But
just like a few chapters, sir. I'll just like highlight like what I did with time and work. I'll
hmm
do the same. Like I'll find some more
yes,
key
yes,
chapters because
yes. You can do.
from trigonometry and mensuration and algebra itself,
Mhm.
6, and 6 around 18 marks are guaranteed from
Okay.
these three chapters, and the passing mark is it's 50. It's for 50
Okay.
marks.
So you can just do that. Whatever. Just give me the topic names with the marks.
Done,
Okay.
sir. Done. Yeah.
I will see that and I will help you if they because in those trigonometry, algebra,
Yes,
and
sir.
that what stuff we say
Uh,
circles like geometry. Okay,
geometry. Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah.
geometry. So in
Yeah.
geometry, you have a circles, triangles.
Correct.
Okay,
Yeah.
they ask fixed question. Okay,
Okay.
and
Okay.
if you have any set of questions for OTA, I have CDS
Okay.
because I have the idea. My brother has given that and he has
Okay.
cleared,
Okay.
but in SSB he was disqualified. Okay,
Okay. Okay, sir.
so I have idea about the CDS because I have
Okay.
taught him.
Okay.
But OTA, that means for the Churchill Army, I don't have idea what kind of questions they ask. But
Okay.
as my view, they will ask as similar as CDS.
It's very similar, sir. In fact, I can send you the 2019 ka or 2017 ka
Yes,
question
please
paper.
send me. I will go through it.
You'll get an
Okay.
idea. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
I will go through it and then I will tell you what to do, how to do it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Done,
Because
sir.
wasting the time is
Yeah.
not good. Okay.
Yeah.
So
Exactly.
just send me. I will give you few things which you will find. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So I'm joining another class. So bye bye.
Sure,
Take care.
sir.
I will send the PDF and all to you. Okay.
Done, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah.
One quick question.
Yes.
So what I'm doing right now, I've kept a small book where I'm like writing down all the formulas.
No
So
need of that.
no need of that, right? Yeah.
No
Okay.
need of that.
Because I my this thing was like I'll learn all the formulas. I'll like practice every day and then solve
No,
the.
no, 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 no need of that for
Okay.
formulas. Don't worry.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
but yes, you will get the. You need to learn the formulas in uh,
Trigonometry.
No, no, not trigonometry.
Yeah.
Volume and surface area.
Yeah, yeah. I remember the formula, sir. Volume and surface area. I remember.
Like volume of cylinder,
Pi
volume of
square,
cone, volume of
multi-
cuboid,
yeah,
cube, hemisphere. Okay,
2
so
pi.
these curved surface area, total surface area. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so
Yeah.
only these. Yes, these formulas you have to remember it because for explaining all, it become very tough for you. So
Tough. Okay.
better to learn the mug up the formulas. I
Ah,
will tell you the application how to do it, and the
okay.
hardest problem also you can solve quickly.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay. Done, sir.
so
Done.
I will let you know the techniques and all how to do it.
Awesome.
Okay,
Awesome, sir.
yeah,
Thank you so much, sir.
okay,
Really, really
okay, bye.
appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Sir, what about the fees for today's class?
No, no fees.
Sir,
Don't
why?
worry. It's okay. No fees for it.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
No
Okay.
fees for this, not for another class. So don't worry about the fees.
Sir, no, no, no.
Okay.
That would be unfair, sir. I mean, you're also
No, no,
teaching.
no, 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 no. It's fine. It's fine. No issue. Okay. I will
Sir,
ask for. I'm helping you, so you can help me. Okay.
okay.
There is no problem. First, you just take classes. Just do the
Okay.
examination. I will ask the help for you from
Okay.
you.
Thank you so much,
Okay.
sir. Seriously,
Yeah.
thanks a lot.
Yeah. Okay. Bye bye.
Take care, sir. Bye.
Yeah.
Have a nice day, sir.
Yeah.